Hey, I'm Sumanth Kumar, a Frontend developer, and this is my friend Vishnu Prasad.
Hey, I'm Vishnu. I focus more on the backend side of the things.
We are starting this channel AI for Everything, where we'll be working on real life projects using AI. The goal is to use AI for day to day tasks to make life easier, just to show you how we tackle different challenges using the latest AI tools.
Exactly. We'll be working everything from scratch, recording our meetings and letting you see the whole process, how we tackle challenges and overcome them with the help of AIs. And it's all about building something cool with AI.
So, if you're interested and you're into AI tech or just curious about how we build projects, stick around. We'll be posting our work, sharing what we learn, and having fun along the way.
No pressure, no hype, just a couple of developers trying to solve real world problems using AI and trying to build something new, which is cool.
Make sure to subscribe if you're interested, and let's build something together. So, let us see you in our first video. Thank you.